So in this tutorial we will see how to implement a simple firewall, that is a Mac based firewall, in our virtual switch. So for that you will have to download this script because it's not available in the POX directory, and the link for this script is provided in the description. So once the script is downloaded, you need to find out the path for that script, that is where it is downloaded, and you will have to run this command, that is scp, that is to transfer this script from your machine to the virtual machine. So just type in scp, then the path of your script, and make sure that you type the correct path, your file name, and .py, that is our extension. So give path of your file, that is L2 firewall, space mininet, that is username, at the rate the IP of that virtual machine, colon, this this is the path of the forwarding folder in the VM, so the file will be transferred to this particular location. So make sure that you type in all the parameters correctly, and we will go ahead. It will ask for password, that's mininet. So we will see that file has been transferred successfully. Now let's run the topology as usual with 4 hosts and 1 switch, and we will run L2 firewall, that is forwarding.L2 firewall, which we have just transferred to that folder right now. So we will go ahead and we'll see that firewall rule has been added. Now we'll check what the script is exactly here. Now if you check out the code for this particular script, then we see here self.add rule, dpid, eth address, and the MAC address has been provided. So for a particular switch with dpid 1, and these are the MAC addresses of hosts from and to which packet transfer would be allowed. So the traffic will only be allowed for the hosts of which MAC addresses are mentioned in this script. So here MAC addresses 0 and 2 are mentioned. So we will see how that works out. We'll start the terminal windows for the hosts. So we have terminal windows for 4 hosts. So now remember, MAC addresses are assigned according to the host name. So H1 has MAC address 1, H2 has 2, and so on. So let's ping H2 from H1. So we'll see that the ping is successful because MAC addresses 1 and 2, that is host 1 and 2, are added in the firewall. But if we ping, let's say host 3, then the ping would be unsuccessful because host 3 is not listed in the firewall, and we can check this in the controller console too. Here you can see from 01 to 02 the packets are being forwarded, but if we are trying from 01 to 03, then the rule is not found in the script and the packets will be dropped. We can check this for other hosts too. So let's ping host 2 from host 4. It will again be unsuccessful because it's not added in the script. If you try to ping host 1 from host 2, then because both of the MAC addresses are specified as the rule, the ping will be successful. So that's all about the firewall, and in next tutorial we will see how to implement a port blocker in software defined networking.